This morning, signs of progress as the nation races to reopen amid a blitz to get more Americans vaccinated. And now the promise our future could more closely resemble the pre-COVID past.
We are not out of the woods yet, but we could be very close. All of us are getting fully vaccinated, and continuing our prevention efforts can help us turn the corner on the pandemic as early as July.
Top health officials say the country can achieve the president's goal, 70% of Americans with at least one vaccination by July 4th. But as the number of doses administered now dips to half what it was in April, reaching the reluctant requires more intense face-to-face efforts.
I think they got incentives now.
In neighborhoods, laundromats, and grocery stores, vaccine ambassadors are going into the community and trying to make shots less scary and more convenient.
The greatest fear that we find is the fear of the unknown.
In Kansas, some business owners are offering incentives, from wellness points to burger deals.
I thought it was just a great way to get people excited.
In New York, the traditional sounds of summer are returning sooner than expected, with Yankee Stadium and the Mets Citi Field admitting larger crowds later this month. Los Angeles is also moving into the state's less restrictive tier.
Yeah, I'm excited. I like to get back out and come into places like this. I'm fully vaccinated, so it's good.
Health experts are now saying rather than expecting a national level of herd immunity, the U.S. may see some regions enjoying higher levels of protection. In San Francisco, where about 70% of adults have received at least one vaccine dose, new COVID cases are down to roughly 26 per day. This morning, a shot at hope for one city and a nation eager to move forward.
New this morning, Pfizer announcing they will be providing vaccines for athletes at the Tokyo Olympics this summer. The push is expected to begin by the end of this month, with hopefully officially vaccinating every delegate by the time they arrive. The company says the doses will be donated and won't impact countries' current vaccine supplies. Hoda?
All right, Miguel, there's also some news about Moderna, and they're talking about a booster shot and how effective it may be. What do you know about that?
Yeah, that's right. Moderna announced its booster shot, a third dose given about 6 to 8 months after the initial 2-dose vaccine, is showing to be effective in clinical trials against highly contagious variants. Many experts do believe booster shots will be necessary going forward. Hoda?
All right, Miguel Almaguer for us. Miguel, thank you.
Hey, thanks for watching our YouTube channel. Find your favorite recipes, celebrity interviews, uplifting stories, shop our favorite deals, and so much more with the Today app. Download it now.